Hi everyone, so now I'm going to tell you different type of electric products price. A 775 motor. Its price is about 300. The 12 volt motor. Its price is about 100. This is a 4 volt motor. Its price is about 40 taka. These are toy car motor. This motor's price is about 15 taka. 15 taka. These are gear motors. You can buy these. This motor's price is about 60 taka per piece. 60 taka per piece. Gear motor. This is a voltage regulator. DC regulator, DC motor regulator. This is price is about 60 taka. 60 taka. This is drill chuck. This drill chuck price is about 300 taka. 300 taka. And this is also another drill chuck for 12 volt motor, and this is for 775 motor. This drill chuck price is about 150 taka. 150 taka is about 150 taka. These are switch. This switch price is 10 taka per piece. 10 taka per piece. These are pulley for 775 motor. This price is 100 taka per piece, and this is the pulley belt, 150 taka. So these are small bearings. These are small bearings. These bearings price is about 30 taka per piece. 30 taka per piece. 30 taka per piece. 30 taka. This is a voltage meter. Its price is 150 taka. Voltage plus ammeter. Its price is about 200 taka. Battery case. It's 20 taka price. This is the battery. This is 80 taka. 80 taka piece. These are drones propeller. 10 taka per piece. Drones propeller. Coreless motor, drone motor. This price 40 taka per piece, and these are 25 taka per piece. These are also small stone, 10 taka per piece. This is 20 taka. This price is 20 taka. Vibration motor, 10 taka. These are saw blades. Its price is 200 taka. Saw blades. These are metal cutter blade. This price is 50 taka. 50 taka set. 4 piece, 50 taka. This is the soldering irons. You can also change the voltage through this. Its price is 300 taka. 300 taka. This is soldering paste. Its price 50 taka. This is a digital multimeter. Its price is 250 taka. This is soldering iron remover. Its price is 60 taka. Soldering iron remover. This is soldering iron. Its price is 100 taka. This propeller price is 20 taka. This is a simple gas light. Its price is 200 taka.